front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and to add any photo, click on it here. If you can't find your photos here, you can always click on Folders instead. Look for your photo and tap on it to attach it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!